Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change your address in Hmrc Online. Start by logging into your Hmrc Online account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. You can do this on the Hmrc website by providing your details and creating a username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section of your account where you can manage your details. This is typically found under a section like Manage Account, Personal Details, or similar. Within the Personal Details section, look for an option to update your address. It may be labeled as Change Address, Update Address, or similar. Click on this option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your new address details. Provide the correct information, including your new street address, city or town, postal code, and any other required information. After entering your new address details, review the information to ensure it is accurate. Some systems may require to verify the changes by entering a code sent to your email or mobile phone. Once you have verified the changes, confirm that you want to update your addresses with Hmrc. This may involve clicking a confirm or update button. After confirming the address change, you should receive confirmation that your address has been updated successfully. You may also receive a confirmation email or message from Hmrc. Log out of your Hmrc account and then log back in to ensure that your new address is correctly reflected in your account details. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.